This is the Eye Watcher.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Cristobal Alvarado.
And I am James Neil de la Paz.
And this is Eye Watcher.
Greenpeace ordered dam site of Taytay to be closed, but it's still operating. Here's Christine reporting.
Yes, James. I'm here right now in East Bank Road, boundary of Taytay, Angono, Rizal, where as you can see, to my left side is Padre River, and to my right side is dam site. Many natural resources we can get here like plants, water, and air, but all of these are polluted, and plants are dying because of chemicals from dam site. Some of residents want to move out this because they can take the order that they can smell. Others said, James, they want to back their farms and their fish ponds. Based on the guard that I interviewed, Greenpeace visited and observed this site and ordered to be closed because the inner gas called methane affect in our health and cause global warming, but still they operate. Although James, we didn't know this dam site is legal or illegal because some residents didn't want to give information regarding this dam site. I'm Christina Baron reporting. Back to you, Cristobal.
The sanitary landfill is a threat for the health for those who live near it because of pollution caused by the burning materials there. Here's Maria Lourdes for her report. Lourdes?
Thank you. As we can see, I'm here in East Bank Road, Taytay, Rizal. Like we expect, Cristobal, many residents here are suffering from illness, and some of our top list are malaria and dengue. Next is diarrhea, cold, flu, headache, and other respiratory illness.
Okay, Lourdes, how about the residents living far from the dam site?
Because of its wide capacity of this dam site, which is located at the center of the flow field, the bad smell of this dam site reached in Aurora subdivision. We may suggest that this dam site be closed or temporarily interrupt their operations for the welfare of the society, especially the residents near the area. I'm Maria Lourdes Doringo reporting here in Taytay, Rizal. Back to you, Cristobal.
Let us go to the topic of water pollution. Water is also polluted because of trash. When it rains, water is running from the dam site through fish ponds and rice fields. Here's Jan Angelo for more information. Jan Angelo?
Thank you. I'm standing straight to the water connected to dam site. Before, it is a fish pond. As we can see, the cleanliness of water is not polluted, although some plants and fishes are still living and some of the residents are still working in this place. Many of them is acquiring illness including malaria and dengue. The dirty water from dam side, including the chemicals, is spilling out down to fish ponds. Plants and fishes that are living in this flow field soon will die. If government will not do action regarding this problem, residents will be suffer in their environment. I am Jan Angelo Elizabas reporting.
Thank you, Jan Angelo. We will come back after a short break.
Ano pa ba ang pag-uusapan natin? Nangyari na eh. Bakit pa? Para saan? After all this time? Oh ano? Saan ako nagkulang? Saan? What do you think?
Okay siya, pero mag-comedy ka naman, ma.
You think so? For a change, no?
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Alam mo, Yaki, Ana, maraming salamat sa advice mo, ha? Galing-galing mo talaga mag-advise.
Yaki?
Oo.
Hindi si Yaki to. Sino ba to?
Ha? Hindi. Si Ate B to, ang mami mo.
Ate B?
Oo.
Yung artista?
Oo, hindi ba si Yaki to?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi ikaw si Yaki?
Eh,
Walang yaka?
wrong number, wrong number.
Wrong number? Kanina pa tayo nag-uusap? Ha? Ano ba nagawa ang kasalanan? Ano pagkukulang ko? Ano? What do you think?
This is the Eye Watcher.
Welcome back to Eye Watcher. Our team decides to ask comments from the residents near the dam site. Here's Jessa for interview.
I'm here at Nara Street to ask some comment
regarding about the agreement if they want to keep this dump site in their place. Based on my survey, some residents wants to move out this dump site because it may cause diseases or illness to all. And for the old residents living here, and they want to back their source of living for them to survive.
Sara to yung dump site na to, lipat sa ibang lugar. So sir, matagal na po kayong mangingisda po dito noon.
Tagal namin dito na kami lumaki.
So, ito pong pagtatayo po ng dump site na to is illegal o illegal?
Illegal?
Illegal.
Jessa May Brun reporting. Back to you, James.
Thank you, Jessa. If there's bad news, there's also good news. Government is planning to convert the dump site to sports complex. Here's Jo Marie for more details.
Okay, James, this coming December 2009, this dump site will be reconstructed to a sport complex. It is a good news for everyone, especially to the residents living near here, because the bad odor of garbage here is coming to an end. On the other side, there are persons disagreeing. Some will be affected because for people working here, this is the place where they can get food for their family. Other thing is the municipality of Taytay will be losing their only place to throw the town's trash. I'm Jo Marie reporting, back to studio. Alright.
Thank you for that, Jo Marie.
That's all for today, viewers.
We hope you enjoy.
And once again, I'm Cristobal Ann Buado.
And I am James Neil de la Paz.
And this is Eye Watcher.
This is the Eye Watcher.
Na-play mo na? Lights, camera, action.
Okay, James. Thank you. As you notice, I'm here in a dump site. And the smell is really bad. As you enter in this subdivision...
Ano ba? Hindi dapat ganyan.
Eh, hindi ko kasi kabisado eh.
Dapat kasi kabisaduhin mo muna. Huwag kang gaganon-ganon.
Hindi, ano?
Eh, dapat nga kasi yung may Manila paper. Eh, wala naman tayong Manila paper, di ba?
James, i-edit mo naman, di ba?
Ha?
I-edit mo naman.
Oo.
Eh di, ano
kaya
kabisado
yun?
niya yun muna, tapos i-edit mo lang na yun.
Pangit kasi gaganon-ganon ka.
Teka lang.
Di ba?
Okay, James, thank you. As you notice, I'm here in a dump site. And the smell is really bad. As you enter in this subdivision... To... Hindi ko maintindihan yun.
No, it is hard for them.
Wala ko true. O, tingin nga.
Sige, isa na lang muna. Hindi, nakadire-diretso yung ano. Nakadire-diretso yung shoot.
Game, ulit.
Isa na lang muna, tapos kukuha tayo ng ibang anggulo. Sige.
Okay, James. Game na.
Lights, camera, action.
Okay, James, thank you. As you notice, I'm here in a dump site. And the smell is really bad. Wala yung
Thank you. As we can see, I'm here in East Bank Road, Taytay, Rizal. Like we expect, Cristabel, many residents...
Many resident, alright.
Ulit. Thank you. As we can see, I'm here in East Bank Road, Taytay, Rizal. Like we expect, Cristabel, many residents...
Okay, Lourdes, how about the president's... Presidential na ito.
Yo, bumabalik na po kami. So, 4 minutes na po ang nakakalipas simula ng sinut namin to, pero bukod doon nakapaglakad na kami ng siguro about mga 5 minutes na rin. So bumabalik kami dahil hindi namin kaya yung
Ano ba sa'yo? Sa'yo mo iduto.
hindi namin kaya yung pressure. Talagang na-stress kami.
Ako na mag-ano.
Kung meron mang nakakarinig sa akin, kung mga kagrupo namin, kung dinanas nyo yung ganito higit pa rito, bilib ako sa inyo. Pero kung hindi nyo kayang gawin ang ginagawa namin,
Hindi ako bilib sa inyo. Hindi ako bilib sa inyo.
Umuwi na lang kayo, wag na kayo mag-aral. Wag na kayo maging journalist. Kasi kami wala kami pinipiling lugar. Di man kami tumuloy ron, paano kung may buhaya ron? Naiintindihan nyo naman kami. At least lumusong kami kahit pa paano, di ba? Nakikita mo, pababa na naman.
Pailagan sagot.
Sana intindihin nyo kami, mga kagrupo namin. Ako po si James Hill de la Paz, nag-uulat.